Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Robinhood, the popular commission-free trading platform. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about Robinhood, including its features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and whether it remains the best choice for commission-free trading in 2025. We'll also suggest 3 alternatives for those who might be considering other options. So let's dive right in. Robinhood was founded in 2013 with a mission to democratize finance for all. By pioneering commission-free trading, it has made investing more accessible, especially for younger and novice investors. The platform offers a user-friendly interface that allows individuals to trade a variety of financial instruments, including stocks, ETFs, options, cryptocurrencies, all without paying traditional brokerage fees. Over the years, Robinhood has expanded its services beyond its mobile-first approach to include a web-based platform catering to a broader audience. Its intuitive design and straightforward navigation have attracted millions of users, positioning Robinhood as a significant player in the fintech industry. Now let us talk about the main features. Commission-free trading. Robinhood allows users to trade stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies without incurring commission fees. This feature has been a game changer in the brokerage industry, prompting many competitors to reevaluate their fee structures. Fractional shares. Investors can purchase fractional shares with as little as $1, enabling them to invest in high-priced stocks without needing substantial capital. This feature also facilitates better portfolio diversification. Cryptocurrency trading. Robinhood provides access to popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu. Users can trade crypto 24/7 directly through the platform, eliminating the need for separate cryptocurrency exchanges. Cash management. The platform offers a cash card that allows users to earn rewards on purchases. Additionally, uninvested cash can earn interest, with Robinhood Gold members receiving higher rates. Retirement accounts. Robinhood has introduced individual retirement accounts (IRAs) with a unique matching feature. Regular users receive a 1% match on their contributions, while Gold members enjoy a 3% match. This initiative encourages long-term savings and investment planning. Robinhood Gold. For a monthly fee of $5, users can upgrade to Robinhood Gold, which offers premium features such as higher interest on uninvested cash, access to professional research reports from Morningstar, and lower margin rates for borrowing. On the Robinhood Gold card, there is no annual fee, there are no transaction fees, you enjoy 3% cashback on all categories, and you earn even more on travel, which is 5%. User-friendly interface. Both the mobile app and the web platform are designed with simplicity in mind, making it easy for users to navigate and execute trades efficiently. Now let us talk about the pricing. Robinhood operates a commission-free model, meaning users can trade without paying per transaction fees. The platform's revenue comes from various sources, including payments for order flow, PFOF. Robinhood receives compensation for directing orders to specific market makers. Robinhood Gold subscription. Priced at $5 per month, this subscription offers enhanced features like higher interest rates on uninvested cash, access to in-depth research reports, and reduced margin rates. Interest on uninvested cash. Robinhood earns interest on the uninvested cash in the user's accounts, a common practice among brokerage firms. Now let's get on to the pros and cons of using Robinhood. First, the pros. Commission-free trading. It eliminates the barrier of fees, allowing users to invest more of their money. Fractional shares. Makes high-value stocks accessible to investors with limited funds. Cryptocurrency access. Enables users to trade digital currencies without needing a separate account on a crypto exchange. User-friendly design. Simplifies the trading process, appealing to both beginners and seasoned investors. Retirement account matching offers an incentive for users to save for retirement with matching contributions. How about the cons? Limited investment options. Robinhood does not offer mutual funds or bonds, which may deter investors seeking a more diversified portfolio. Basic research tools. The platform provides limited research and educational resources, which might not suffice for users seeking comprehensive analysis tools. Customer support challenges. Some users have reported difficulties in reaching customer support, especially during periods of high market volatility. Reliance on payments for order flow. This practice has faced criticism and regulatory scrutiny, raising concerns about potential conflicts of interest. Now here's the big question. Is Robinhood still the best for commission-free trading in 2025? As of 2025, Robinhood continues to be a formidable force in the commission-free trading landscape. Its commitment to eliminating trading fees and providing a user-friendly platform has undoubtedly lowered the barriers to entry for many investors. The introduction of features like fractional shares, cryptocurrency trading, and retirement account matching demonstrates Robinhood's dedication to evolving with the needs of its user base. However, the platform's limitations, such as the absence of mutual funds and bonds, as well as its basic research tools, suggest that it may not cater to all investment strategies. Additionally, past controversies and customer support issues highlight areas where improvement is needed. For investors prioritizing a straightforward, low-cost platform for trading stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies, Robinhood remains a strong contender. Yet, those seeking a more comprehensive suite of investment options and advanced research tools might find alternative platforms more suitable. Well, if you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Charles Schwab, Interactive Brokers, and Coinbase. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.